In this video, I will show you how to reset your Discord password. So first open your Discord app, click on login, type your email address. Make sure that your email address is correct. So check it properly. After that, click on forgot password. It will say we sent instructions to your Gmail. Now what you need to do is go to your Gmail app, and as you can see the Discord message for resetting your password. Click on it and type your new password. After that, click on continue to Discord. When you type your password, it will work. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.